All right, so we are going to look and see if taco tongue and evil eyebrow are independent. So, is there an association between taco tongue and evil eyebrow? Do we have convincing evidence that for the ability to do taco tongue and evil that the ability to do the taco tongue and evil eyebrow are associated? So, if you can make a taco tongue or an evil eyebrow, are those associated? So, describe first what it means to be independent. So, independence is when the data are not associated. So, what that means is no data values are related to each other. Now, when you have a large data set, that might be hard to tell. Like, how would you tell if two data points are related to each other? So, one way to do that is to calculate expected counts. So, on here is the observed amount, and here is the expected amount. So, what you would do to find the expected value, you take the row total times the um, column total and divide it by the grand total. So, again, the expected value is the row total times the column total. So, I'm going to put row times column divided by I'm going to put grand total. So if we're doing this cell right here, the row total is 480 times the column total is 200. And then we would do divided by the grand total, which is 600. So I'm just going to use a calculator there. So we have 480 times 200 divided by 600. And the expected value there is 160. And you notice our difference there, we have 180. So that might be a bit of a significant difference. Here, we would do 480 times 200, then divided by 600. And again, I'm just using a calculator to do that. So 480 times 400 divided by 600. And I got 320. Again, our expected count is 20 over what we observed. Then for here, what you do is 120 times 200 divided by 600. And I get 40. And then here, 120 times 400 divided by 600. And I get 80. So if you look here, our observed amounts versus our expected amounts seem to be different. So the observed amounts seem significantly different than the expected amounts.